Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never replied. They home gone, am I late? Did I miss the invite? Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never replied. Where did you go? Was that you that just drove past the house? And is it me that they're laughing at when I step out? Maybe I'm paranoid, feels like I let everyone down. It feels like everybody's thinking I'm a nobody now. I had to write myself a letter just to know it get read. I drink myself back to life to make sure I ain't dead. But I ain't dead yet. Is there a number to call? Is there a place I can hide? Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never replied. Myself around just to feel any pain. And if it do any good, you know I'd do it again and again. You know these things that I've done, they won't mean shit when I die. You know these songs that I've sung, they won't make anyone cry. Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never replied. Now I'm done my complaining, you just read my mind, that's you on the line. With the dawn, I look out to a brand new horizon, where the colors all blend like a friendly hello from beyond. In the constant relief that the very things I believe in are all here when I wake, and they wait for me when I am gone. I'm on my way back to you, just like you wanted me to. I stayed away long enough to get some help. I'm taking the time I need to say just what I should have said that day. But this old heart of mine kinda broke itself. It's always raining, every day feels the same now. I keep trying to stay like the man I know I should be. But this place and these streets always poking their nose in your business. It's enough to drive anyone out of their mind, even me. The streets are all empty here tonight. I won't waste any more time. Maybe I should have saved these words for someone else. I'm taking the time I need today. I don't care about yesterday. This old heart of mine kinda broke itself. Oh, the photos in a frame telling me that I'm to blame. How I wish things had stayed the same with you. Time is slowly moving on. Some have stayed and some have gone. How I wish things had stayed the same with you. I'm on my way back to you, just like you wanted me to. I stayed away long enough to get some help. I'm taking the time